This morning we headed out to meet some friends of ours who had heard of some waterfalls nearby. In typical BC weather, you just never know what you're really going to get. What started off cloudy turned rainy, and then snow. Once it got too slippery, we are down to 30 psi. That's about as comfortable as we are with our current setup and 20-inch rims. Our friends with a much better setup were able to air down to 15 psi. With much better traction, we headed out into a winter wonderland. Sometimes, it hits you when you reach your destination, but all you did to get there